Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Shaz Tech International. In this video we are discussing about our ongoing project, that is a rig camp and a rig accommodation refurbishment job. So currently our client, they have just moved their rigs here. So what is our scope is we are refurbishing or renovating their existing all the rig camps and rig accommodation. So this is the area. So what we did is we remove all the existing cabins and everything, and we have washed all the walls and everything, and we have removed the flooring like that we did. Then after that one we have installed the sofas in the corners, like complete renovation, and we have put the overhead cabins and stainless steel sink with these cabinets. And this is a table, it's a working table, it's a full length working table. It is around 3.4 meter, and down we have put this acrylic sheet, so it will make the movements are easy with the chairs. So these are the jobs we did in these office areas. Then this is a washroom area. Okay, so washroom area we have installed this sink. Then on the side also we have installed the cabinets, and in case of these washrooms we remove all the existing these sanitary fixtures, all the things, and we have installed the new one with these curtains, and these are the shower heads and cabinets. And so this is a bedroom. So in bedrooms we have installed one of these cabinets, dress wardrobe, and these are the tables, and this is the stand for the TV, and we have installed these coach bed and the side tables, and all these areas we have cleaned very well. So this way we are doing this camp refurbishment job. Let's go to the other cabin also. So all these cabins we are going to renovate or refurbish. Some areas still this renovation is going on. This is a mess hall. We have painted all this bench. This is the most just now I showed to you. This also we have renovated. So now new cabin renovation is going on. So we are removing all the existing items from the cabin. These all items we will remove. Then we are going to install the vinyl sheet, same as we did in the previous cabin. This is the other cabins we have renovated. So here we have installed these cabinets, stainless steel, this sink, then overhead and down cabinets. Then this is a long table. The flooring we have installed in this vinyl flooring, then along with this acrylic sheet, same like as it before, that it makes these movements of these chairs will make it easy. So like that we are renovating all these camp. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing.